Hi everyone! Today I've got another spooky and fun treat idea that's perfect for Halloween. Face pies. These creepy little hand pies are a fun activity to do with family and friends. You can have a blast making different facings and spooky features. So let's get started! You'll need 2 sheets of puff pastry. Using a doughnut cutter, cut out 4 circles for the bottoms and 4 circles for tops. This will be the faces. Prick the center of the bottom circles and place them on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Next, use a knife to make slits for the eyes and mouth on the top circles. Get creative and make different faces and details to add variety. Place a teaspoon of jam or your favorite filling in the center. Brush the edges of the bottom circles with water, then place the top face circles on them. Gently press down the edges and cream them with a fork. Use any leftover pastry scraps to shape a nose and attach it to the face with a little water. Brush the faces with a beaten egg and sprinkle a little sugar on top. Bake in preheated oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius for about 20 to 25 minutes until puffed and golden brown. Once baked, let the pies cool completely. And there you have it, delicious and adorable face pies ready to be enjoyed. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.